Let's dive in the magic of biryani, a perfect blend of taste and tradition. Take the boneless beef, marinate with Greek yogurt, salt, Kashmiri chili powder, chili flakes, cumin, coriander, turmeric, my homemade biryani masala, prepared puree, and fried onions. In the last, add the chopped mint and coriander. Mix well and leave for at least 3 to 4 hours. Add the oil in a large pot and cook the marinated meat until fully tender and gravy is thickened. In a large pot, bring the water to boil. Add the salt and whole spices, lemon slices, green chilies, mint, and coriander leaves. After, add the soaked rice and cook it until the bite to it and drain. Spread the rice evenly in the bottom of the pot. Next, add the cooked meat on the top. Arrange the dried plums, tomato, and lemon slices and green chilies on the top of the meat. Add another layer of the rice. Drizzle some oil and food color. Cover the pot with a tea towel and a lid. Place on a dum for at least 25 minutes. Once done, let it rest and gently mix the layers of the rice and meat before serving. And that's it. Enjoy with some fresh salad and raita. Thanks for watching. Chase the flavors.